How to fix cannot sign in Apple ID. This error means that the maximum number of free Apple IDs have already been created on your iPhone, so Apple limits each device to a certain number of new Apple ID creations, usually 3. Now, in order to fix this, all you have to do is open any web browser on your device. Here, I'm simply tapping down on the Safari. Now, once you tap on the Safari, in the search address bar, tap on the search address bar and type down appleid.apple.com and hit enter. Once done so, you'll be navigated to the Apple ID support. Now once in here, all you have to do is tap on the downward arrow at the top right corner of your screen and a drop down menu will appear out of it. Now from there, tap on the create an account option available there at the middle. Now all you have to do is create your Apple ID and after creating it, sign into your iPhone. Now, once done, so you can go back to the home screen. Now once in the home screen, tap on the settings app available there. Now inside settings, tap on the general option available there. Make sure to scroll down. Now inside general, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. Then tap on reset all settings. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.